Hello, Popcorn Squad? Don't know what the hell's going on. MSP actually loaded. Oh my god. Let me just change my outfit.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just at the V in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the family. Legacies. Family. Wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana.
Guys, BRB. Be right back. Okay, guys. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. So I'm doing an account giveaway on this account. Not this one that I'm purposely on. You can't see this, so why am I thinking? Not this account, but the house one. Cocoa beans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So to enter this giveaway, you have to be subscribed. Look, I'll show you. And you've got to comment down why you should have this account. VIP. So yeah, get commenting. Tell me why you should win it. And then we'll get someone at random. I'm just gonna look at outfits because I can. To be honest, the hair is kind of ugly. Also, guys, hold on. So this is 900. This is meant to be 950 loves. This one's 450 loves. So once you love it, so once it gets 300 loves, someone will bear and that. So also, I don't own that anymore. So. Don't know what I'm doing. You bring home the mama. And the ones who love all the drama. Also, guys, this is on YouTube. Yeah, her hair is actually gold. Yeah, his pieces are hacked or something. Because look. Pixie's actually not on page, she's not. Look at her. But then when you click on her, she's not actually like that, even though that's a really cute face. Like, bruh. Like, is she hacked? What's going on? My life is a bad. I'm tired
Spray perfume on your pillow when I'm out of town. And you leave love letters in cursive all around the house.
11:33 a.m. Wait, p.m.
No need to eat it cause you're taking me off. When you get me flowers, you rip them right out from the ground. And everyone wants somebody who looks at them like that. Like the way you're looking at me. And everyone wants somebody who never hurts them back. Unless I wanna fight, baby.
Hey guys, if you could also comment down below, if you know who hacked her, that would be really cool. Also, I'm not just doing art book giveaway. That account giveaway, that's the other thing. So after I'd say on UK server, live live 2515. What's the actual top one? Why is that top?
No matter how reckless, you never say no.
She actually bought it.
And everyone wants somebody who looks at them like that.
Like the way you're looking at me. And everyone wants somebody who never hurts them back. Unless someone
fight, baby.
You're so freaking cute. I think I actually like spiders, so I'm not gonna lie.
Where'd you come from, babe? Please don't tell me you're fake. No, got me like
I'm loving it. I'm getting so tired. I hate your Logan Paul. That's my opinion, though. Don't know what I'm doing. Wait, do I have any private pictures? You guys, I'm gonna let you go because the video gets way too long. Also, guys, comment down below. I love you so much. Peace out. Bye.